Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to filter comments on your Pinterest pin. Maybe you want to control the comments on your pins and maintain a positive and safe environment. So today I'm going to show you how to filter comments on your Pinterest pin. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select the settings option. On this window, tap on the social permissions option. Here, you can see this filter comments on my pin. Now, to enable this option, you simply need to toggle on this button beside it. After that, a box will appear below, and here, you can now add the specific keywords that you want to filter out from the comments. For example, I will filter this word. After typing the word, tap on the Save button to save changes. After that, you now have successfully filtered the comments on your Pinterest pin. The selected filters will now be applied, ensuring that the comments are aligned with your preferences and guidelines. There you go. If you wanted to know how to filter comments on your Pinterest pin, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to filter comments on your Pinterest pin, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.